Hello everybody, welcome to a new lesson. The objective of today's lesson is to identify specific and general information of a text and the name of the new unit, that is unit number 3, is Would you like dessert? Okay, so let's start with the lesson. So I need that you please open your student books on page 84, because we're going to start with the unit number 3 of the year. In the book, it is unit number 1. The name of the unit is Would you like dessert? Okay? And the first thing that I want that you do is to look at these pictures. Okay? What can you see in these pictures? Okay, so we're going to do activity number 1. Look at the photos. Where can you see the words in the list? Write 1 to 8 in the boxes. And look, here we have a list of words, and the idea is that you match these words with the pictures. It is really easy, right? Okay, number 1, a carrot cake. Number 2, a chef. Number 3, a plate. Number 4, cooking. Number 5, an omelette. Number 6, tomato soup. Number 7, some salad. And number 8, steak. Okay? So please stop the video and do the activity. Did you finish? Great. So let's check together then. Number 1, a carrot cake. What do you think? Letter H. Very good, because it is the example. Number 2, a chef. Letter A. Correct. Number 3, a plate. What do you think? Letter F. Very good. Number 4, cooking. What do you think? Letter B. Perfect. Number 5, an omelette. Letter E. Very good. Number 6, tomato soup. Letter C. Very good. Number 7, some salad. Letter D. And number 8, steak. Letter G. Excellent. Very good. Okay, so now I need that you please open your student books on page 85. Everybody 85, because we're going to read a text together. And this text is called Young Kitchen Stars. And here we have different pictures of some children cooking, right? And here we have different plates. Okay? So let's start with the reading. Harry doesn't want to be a star chef when he's 20. He wants to be one now. This is why he's on the Star Junior Chefs TV program. The 10-year-old New Yorker likes cooking. He can make fantastic soups and salads, excellent omelettes, and the best cakes. But there are many other children on the show too, and they are all very good. More and more young people are interested in cooking. Many of them learn it from their parents. Others watch special cooking videos for children on YouTube. In many cities, there are special cooking classes for young people. Some of them are for children from the age of 3. Wow! But what must you do to become a star chef? Of course, it's important that you like cooking and are really good at it. But there are some rules too. You must be 9 years old or more to be on Star Junior Chefs. We must wash our hands before we start cooking, Harry says. And, of course, we mustn't put them in our mouths. A chef doesn't do that. And we must be very careful with hot plates. The show starts. Harry is excited. He knows he's an excellent cook. This time he makes tomato soup, some salad, steak, and carrot cake. The experts in the studio love Harry's food, and he stays on the show. It's 5 p.m. The show is over. Harry is happy and a little tired. He goes home. It's time to do his homework. ¿Ok? Entonces en el texto nos estaban describiendo más o menos cómo era participar en uno de estos programas de comida, de cocina. Por ejemplo, nosotros ahora en Chile tenemos un programa que es MasterChef Celebrity, que está en vivo, pero hace algunos años atrás hicieron Junior MasterChef. También hicieron un programa de cocina de niños, infantil. Okay? So now we're going to do an activity on page 84, activity 5, that it's a true or false. So you have to read the article, we already do that, and mark the sentences. T, true, F, false, or the S, doesn't say. ¿Ok? Acá tenemos tres alternativas, chiquillos. No solamente verdadero o falso, sino que se agrega una nueva categoría, the S, doesn't say, which in Spanish is no lo dice. No dice nada de eso en el texto. ¿Ok? So, a true statement is something that appears in the text correctly. A false statement is something that appears in the text but incorrectly. And a DS is something that doesn't appear in the text. Entonces, para que sea verdadero, aparece correctamente en el texto. Para que sea falso, aparece incorrectamente en el texto. Y para que sea DS, doesn't say, no aparece en el texto. Okay? So now I'm going to read the sentences. The example says, Harry is 10 years old and he's from New York. That's true. He wants to be a star chef. Number 2, his sister likes cooking too, but she's not very good. Number 3, the other children on the TV show aren't very good cooks. Number 4, children must be 10 years old to be on Star Junior Chefs. Number 5, the chef's hands must be clean. Number 6, it's okay for the children to eat the food they are cooking. Number 7, after the TV show, Harry goes home to study. So I need that you please stop the video now and do the activity. Did you finish? Excellent. So let's check now. Number 1, true. Very good. Number 2, the S doesn't say because this doesn't appear in the text. Number 3, false. This is false, okay? Number 4, false again. Number 4, false. Number 5, true. Number 6, doesn't say, DS. And number 7, true. Excellent. So now we're going to continue with another activity related to the text. You need to open your workbooks on page 86, activity 1. Answer the questions. Then look at the article on page 85 of the student book and check your answers. Así que estas preguntas, chiquillos, están relacionadas al texto que acabamos de leer, ¿ok? So the example says, what's the name of the TV program? Star Junior Chefs. That is the name, okay? So now you have to stop the video and answer the other questions. Number 1, how old is Harry? Number 2, where is he from? Number 3, how old must you be to go on the show? Number 4, what does Harry cook this time? And number 5, what time does the show finish? okay? So please do it. Do you finish? Excellent. So let's check them. Number 1. How old is Harry? He is 10 years old. 10. Number 2. Where is he from? The answer is New York. Number 3. How old must you be to go on the show? The answer is 9. 9 years old. Number 4. What does Harry cook this time? The answer is tomato soup, salad, steak, and carrot cake. And number 5, what time does the show finish? 5 p.m. Okay, excellent. And this is the homework that you have to do this week. You have to open your workbooks on page 86. 86, please. And you're going to read a very brief text. And you're going to do activity number 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Activity 2 says, read the leaflet for a cooking camp. What can you learn to make? Tick the correct photos. Esto, chiquillos, es como un panfleto, un flyer de un campamento de cocina. Entonces aparece información relacionada a este campamento de cocina. Okay? Activity 3. Read the leaflet again. Then correct the sentences. These sentences are incorrect. All of them. Todas estas oraciones están incorrectas. What do you have to do is to correct them. Lo que deben hacer es corregirlas. The example says, cooking camp is in November, and you have to write, cooking camp is in October. No era en noviembre, era en octubre. La información aparece en este panfleto. And in activity 4, you have to complete the questionnaire for the cooking camp so it is true for you, with your own information. Vamos a hacer como que ustedes quieren asistir a este campamento de cocina y deben completar un pequeño cuestionario con su propia información. So you're going to write, what is your name? How old are you? What is your favorite dish? Dish, plato de comida, okay? Do you help your parents in the kitchen? Can you cook? And what can you cook? Si la número 5 la respuesta es no, no deben responder la número 6, porque la número 6 les pregunta qué es lo que pueden cocinar, okay? Very good. And that is the end of today's lesson. Remember to do your homework, okay? See you this Friday in the online lesson, everybody. Bye!